So Vlogmas is filming every day, filming every day for the month of December until Christmas, until the 25th. I've never done Vlogmas before. Definitely haven't done Vlogmas with a baby. So why not? Let's go ahead and start trying to do that. Oh, you hear the rain? So how am I going to do Vlogmas without any pre-planning? It's December 1st now. So what I'm going to do is plan now. I already was planning to do weekly Facebook Live videos on Tuesdays. Topics planned for the rest of the month. So I'm going to just work with my Facebook Live videos and edit them to create clips. It's something that a lot of people recommend, is repurposing the content that you already have so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. In fact, Gary Vaynerchuk on his birthday released a huge slide deck on all the ideas of creating content. So now that I think about it, I think what I'm going to do is follow his slide deck and use the Facebook Live videos in order to not only populate my social media, but also populate this YouTube channel.
Yeah, look at the baby. Look at the baby.